So, ladies and gentlemen, these look like little small snowballs or something. Crumb Boss, what are they?
Those are little small snowballs or something.
Okay. Wow, someone's
hey everybody, Crumb Boss here.
Somebody's a smart Alec today.
I am very smart, but my name's not Alex.
No, I said Alec. All right, so Crumb Boss, what is this?
That is tiramisu truffles.
Tiramisu truffles.
Yes, something that you wouldn't really like because you don't like chocolate. You don't like coffee flavor.
Ugh.
And tiramisu traditionally is made with rum or marsala or Kahlua, like the liquor that you also don't like. And thinking of that, a lot of people don't like that. I left out the liquor from this recipe, but it does have the coffee.
Okay.
And I just wanted to show you my idea. Maybe for Christmas.
Yes.
Make some of these truffles and put them into little gift bag like that. And I would add them to my edible Christmas gift selection that I make every year for all my favorite people. So like a little tiramisu truffle bag, right?
That's nice. See, and that's the whole thing. It's going to taste good.
Ooh, it's so good. And I just did this recipe for the first time, and it is really good.
Okay.
I've been chatting with someone from YouTube, and also he's on my Facebook page. His name is Sean. He has a page called Sean's Chocolates. He's actually out of India. I thought he was in New York because I was like, send me some chocolates. He goes, I don't know how well they travel from India. I didn't realize he was in India. His chocolates are absolutely wonderful. So he does real deal chocolate truffles. I am doing a home version, an easy version. What's Crumb Boss all about? Making it easy, making it good. So I'm going to show you guys how to do truffles like in 5 minutes. It's so easy. So Sean, I know I'm not doing it the way that you do it, but these are absolutely wonderful.
Okay.
So it does the trick.
All right.
3 ingredients in this chocolate truffle recipe.
Wow.
That's it, I know. It is some cream cheese.
Okay.
It is white chocolate.
White chocolate.
And it is instant coffee.
Oh boy.
There's about a tablespoon of instant coffee here. You only need like maybe a teaspoon of hot water.
Yes.
To get it dissolved. Whoops.
Okay.
See that? And it goes into like a paste.
Okay.
All right? So what I'm going to do is take my cream cheese that's, you know, kind of been softened. It's been sitting out for a little while here.
Okay.
And I'm just going to really soften it up.
So is that like cream cheese that you made, or it's like Philadelphia?
This is Philadelphia cream cheese, exactly. And I've softened it up by whipping it on a mixer bowl.
Yes.
And then I'm going to add my coffee paste to that.
Okay. Again, this is just ordinary.
ShopRite brand.
It's ShopRite, actually.
It really is.
It's ordinary coffee.
Now, you know, you guys can. I've mentioned it before. Medaglia d'Oro. It's the instant espresso powder. Go ahead and use that if you feel so inclined. But I find that the ShopRite instant granules is perfect to do the job.
Okay, good.
All right. See how I've mashed that all together?
Yes.
Simply add your melted white chocolate to that.
Nice.
And then you're going to just mix it all together.
And then how do you get it to roll into a ball?
Then, see how it really came together instantly?
Nice.
Anytime you add anything to chocolate like that, it instantly binds. Instant. So if you don't have the right ratio of chocolate to other ingredients, you could have a problem. So follow my recipe and you won't have problems.
Actually, if you just follow the Crumb Boss, you'll have no problems in life.
Where's my little scooper? So you said, how do I get it into little balls?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, oops. Go ahead.
Little scooper right here, my little tiny scooper.
Okay.
Alright, so I just did that.
Yep. You're going to put that out.
Just like that. So you'll do that with the whole recipe. I then like to pop them in the refrigerator for like maybe an hour.
Okay.
To firm them up, because then as you see, I've rolled them a little bit nicer balls. Like the scooper doesn't put them exactly perfect.
No.
So then I've taken that and I've just rolled them into balls a little bit nicer like that.
Okay.
All right. Now the next thing that I did, I have my melted white chocolate over here.
There's so much chocolate in this.
There is a lot of chocolate.
In Woodland Bakery.
There is. There's chocolate all over the place. Melted white chocolate. We've got dark chocolate. There's just chocolate.
Woodland. It's like.
Why do you think I'm here?
And why do you think I'm here? Okay. Okay. Why are you in there?
So what I do whenever I make truffles, I do like you know how we crumb coat cakes? We do a very light icing.
Yeah.
I do the same thing with the truffle. You see this? I put a little bit into my hand here.
Because your hands are your best tools.
That's right. And I just roll it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a small coat.
Okay. Let's do a little slower.
All right.
Yeah.
A little bit in my hands.
Nice and slow. Good. Going around. Good. 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 Okay. Look at that. Little snowballs.
Yeah. There we have it. Little snowballs. So first you want to do that, and that's why you do need this to be chilled first too. This is very soft.
Yeah.
This is firm because it's been in the fridge for about an hour.
Okay.
So it can handle all of this, what I'm doing to it.
Okay.
All right, so there you have that.
Yep.
Next thing I'm gonna do.
Next thing I'm gonna do is what, Crumb Boss?
The next thing I'm gonna do,
You're still wearing your hat.
I am wearing my hat.
You cold?
I love my hat. I slept with my hat on last night.
Okay.
50 degrees in New Jersey. It's cold. I can't afford to turn my heat on in my house, so I have to sleep with my hat and my coat on. It's true.
Stop it. Stop it. Focus on the content.
All right. So after that, see, it's already started to firm up. The chocolate really sets quickly.
Yeah.
So then the whole point of that is to then be able to handle it so I can dunk it in. Now Sean's probably looking at this video, shaking his head going, oh my God, look at how this girl is making truffles. This is absolutely appalling. But this is how I make truffles.
Uh-huh.
All right?
Yes.
And they're wonderful.
Nice. Look at that. Now we got a bigger snowball than before.
That's right.
Uh-huh.
All right, so I basically just drop my truffle in there.
Yeah.
I put it into the chocolate, and I'm just dunking it to get the excess off because you don't need all of that on there.
Okay.
And then I just dab where my fingertips were.
Okay.
Sean, don't kill me for doing it this way.
Uh-huh. Yeah, throw it in the bucket.
Throw it in there and slap it on, and
Yeah, he's gonna yell at us.
yeah, I know.
He's gonna yell at us.
All
It's all good.
And then the last touch I do, because tiramisu always has cocoa powder as a garnish.
Oh, look, now it's chocolate snow.
Okay. And there you are.
And there we have it. So we have chocolate. What are they called? White
Tiramisu truffles.
tiramisu truffles. So cut that open.
Cut that open, and there's your center.
Ooh, that looks cool. That looks really good.
These are really good. I made this recipe for the first time the other day, and
Yeah.
let me just tell you, they are good.
Okay,
All right.
because somebody's been eating them.
Yes, so pop them into a little gift bag and give them out for your gifts for Christmas, everybody.
Okay.
Or just eat them yourself.
Just be like the Crumb Boss and eat them yourself.
Crumb Boss.
Crumb Boss.